So today I'm so excited because I'm going to show you all what I got from Shea Shea Bakery. And if anybody don't know what Shea Shea Bakery is, Shea Shea Bakery is a skincare company and they sell awesome skin products like body lotion, body butter, and they also sell candles, like handmade sculpted candles, and like for the body cream they make these handmade sculpted tops, and they have awesome like products, smell like desserts and fruit and cookies and all those great things. And I just discovered this company I think it was last year. I was searching for some kind of candle and I stumbled upon this store, but I never got a chance to order anything from it. But I was like, you know what, I want to order from this company now. So I'm just so excited to get these products and to show you all the company. If you don't know about this company, I definitely recommend going to sheamakery.com, and I'll leave it on the screen right here so you all can go and check it out and purchase some products from them because they are awesome. And I'm so excited to open this box. So let me show you all the box. And if you go to Instagram, just let them know that Zelma sent you. So Zelma Sparkle 92, just let them know I sent you. And I love them so much. So I've looked their website and their Instagram and everything. Their products look amazing. So I'm so excited to try their products. And yeah, so I got my box right here. If y'all want to see what's inside this box, then just keep on watching. So let's open this box together. Okay. I just opened the box. I could smell like hot cocoa cookies. Just by opening the box, it's like, I know it's gonna be awesome. Okay. So when I first opened the box, I see the receipt for everything I purchased. So that's good. Got that right here. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside when you first open it up, after you take the receipt out. Okay, so they have this card right here. Yeah, and also I was saying you can download the app. So definitely recommend go downloading the app. Alright, so we have that, and let's get to the products. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's look inside. Okay, so the first thing I see in here. Wait, what is? Oh, they give you like little mints. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, that's so sweet. They give you little mints. That's nice. It says thank you on here. Well, that's nice to give candy in, you know, the box. It's really sweet. Okay. So the first product I see in here. Ooh, it's so nice. Is this sugar cookie body butter. And I'm just gonna set this right here. So I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, this is really pretty, y'all. This is really pretty. Okay. So one thing is, this is the Shea Shea Bakery Skincare Sugar Cookie Body Collection Body Butter. And they sculpt like the sugar cookies. How cute is this? Let me show you up close so you can get a look at that. How pretty is that? And they made this by hand. So they sculpt the tops for these body butters and they make this by hand. And to make it look an actual sugar cookie, and It is adorable and so pretty, and I love it. And you can get like whatever body butter you want, well, whatever is on the website, and you can choose from. They have the little cute design and how they make the tops, and I think that's so unique and so pretty. So I'm so excited. Let's open and see what it smells like. Ooh, look at that. This smells like vanilla buttercream frosting. It smells like a vanilla bean, like a bakery, baking desserts. It just smells so delicious. Like, it makes you want to eat it, but of course don't eat it, but it makes you want to eat it. It smells so good. It says on here, soften skin texture with continuous use, fades dark marks and scars, naturally moisturize skin and hair. And it's on here, a Shea Shea Bakery Body Butter, whipped shea butter with all natural ingredients for improved skin health. Okay, so that is awesome, and I just love this. So nice, and definitely, I'm excited to use this. Okay. Oh, I should put some on my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna put some on my hand. See how it is. I'm just gonna put a little bit, just this little bit right here, and top it up. Ooh, now that does leave your hands so soft, and it just blends right into your skin. Ooh, that smells so good. Okay, definitely excited about that product. Okay, so the next product is, let me open it real quick. Let me open it. Oh yeah, look, it's this hot cocoa lip balm. Okay. That smells so awesome. It smells like chocolate, hot cocoa on like a winter day. It smells so good. It smells delicious, and looks really moisturizing as well. I know it's going to be so nice and moisturizing on my lips, and I'm so excited. And look at the packaging too. Look at that. It's hot cocoa, and I have on here too, let me read the ingredients. For super soft lips, pair lip balm with our natural lip scrub. Okay, and I have like contains on here sweet almond oil, coconut oil, beeswax, avocado oil, cocoa seed butter, shea butter, flavor oil, and colorant. So yeah, that is awesome. So excited to use that. Okay, so let's see what the next product is. So the next product, I'm gonna unbox right now. Okay, so I ordered this body wash and shower gel and body oil that they had on their website as a collection, but you also can purchase it separately. But I just wanted to purchase this set together, and I'm happy I did purchase all of them together. Let me open this. Okay, so the first thing from this collection, this is the cake collection, and I got the cake bath collection body oil, and oh my goodness, this looks really nice. Look, Okay, so this is what it says on here. The bakery cake collection scented to complement your cake body butters and cream. With blends of chocolate, lemon, and buttercream, you're sure to smell like a homemade delicacy. And it says on here you can apply to body or hair as needed. Use after bathing for a lasting scent and moisture. So I'm so excited. I don't think I ever had a body oil before, if I'm not mistaken. No, I never had a body oil. So I'm so excited to try this. And I know it's going to smell so good. I should smell it real quick. Let's see. Oh yes, it smells really good. Like cake and sweet desserts. So the next thing I got the body mist. And it said it have the same description as the oil. And yes, I'm so excited to try this. Look at this. I'll show you the packaging right here. It's really pretty. And I love how I have like the cake right here and the cupcakes. It's a really cute design. And I'm going to spray some right now. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, that smells nice. Yes, you can definitely smell that buttercream and that lemon. That lemon, you can smell it really nice. Chocolate, all that mixed together is amazing. And so excited to take my bath and just relax and put some of that on. Oh, it smells really good. And then the last thing in this bath collection I got was the body wash. And yes, they have the same description like I said as the other products in this bath collection, and so nice. And I cannot wait to this smells so good. So I'm so happy to have these products right here as well, so I can use them for my bath and just relax. And I'm so excited for these products. So excited to use them. Okay, so my last product that I got, I'm so excited as well to see this. I got a candle, and I am so excited to see this. Oh, hold on, wait, I didn't see this before I open it. They have this on the outside of the packaging. Right here, milk and cookie. Okay, you have right here on the outside, milk and cookie candle. So this is really cute how they put that right on the outside. Okay, let's see. But yes, I got the milk and cookie candle because I love cookies, and milk is awesome too to go with it. And I just thought it was so cute. And all their candles look so cute as well. All their products are just, it makes you just want to like go and bake cookies or have cake or something. It's just awesome. I just love, like when you go on that website, you'll see all those products like, oh, they're so nice. I just love how they put like detail, like a lot of detail too in their products. It's just amazing. Okay, so I'm just unwrapping this. They wrapped it really nice to make sure the products don't get broken or damaged or anything like that. So they make sure they wrap them nice. So yes. Okay. So I'm gonna put that right here. And okay, let's look at it. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this candle. Don't this look just like food? It looks just like food. It looks so real. And it smells like cookies and cream. Yes, you definitely see this in one of my videos, and I'm so excited. And look at the detail. I'm gonna see, can I zoom this in close right here? Look at that cookie right here. Yes, it smells so delicious. Oh my goodness, I've never seen a candle like this before. Like the detail and everything in here. It's so awesome, and I cannot wait. I love how big, you know, of a candle is as well. The details, and then it's in a nice size bowl they put it in. So I'm loving this, and yeah, so excited to burn this candle. It smells so delicious. So that is all the products that I got from Shea Shea Bakery, and like I said, I'm so excited to use these products. I definitely recommend you all go checking them out and purchase their products. Definitely recommend it because they're awesome. So if you all get anything from Shea Shea Bakery, let me know in the comments below, or if you have bought some of their products before, in the comments let me know in the comments below, or if you're interested in buying the products, let me know as well. So okay, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then turn on your post notifications bell so you all be notified whenever I upload another video. And I will see you all in my next video. Alright, love y'all. Bye.